Alright guys, it is now time to do the unboxing of the Jaguar. For some reason they didn't send this one in another box like they did the other ones, but I did check just to make sure it was in one piece. There was nothing shaking around, so we'll flip this open. And there she is. It's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the back end. Alright guys, there she is. That is a pretty skillet. Gotta say that they did a really good job on this series. Let's see if I can turn that, we'll get a little bit more light on it. Yeah, that's definitely a pretty skillet. So, but there she is. There's the number, which would be a number 10, but it's a 12-inch Jaguar in the Amazonia series. There she is, guys. Hope everybody has a great day.